Hi, this is John with WTI. And as a huge fan of cereals, this is where this Pops cereals comes into place. And this corn concentration or this cereal that just takes like nice corn with a nice layer of sugar and it's just really good. And the greatest thing in here is just the convenience of just taking this anywhere or just waking up early in the morning, just pop one of these guys up, a lot of milk, and I'm good to go. Even if I'm traveling or I just want to have like a nice snack that I can just grab while I'm working. And the texture stays the same even while it stays on the milk for a good time. Sometimes sure the cereals could get really soggy if they stay on the milk or anything for a good time. This actually feels and stays crunchy the whole time. So the whole experience with this, it's just awesome. It's pretty good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.